welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a sorting snacks mini fridge from Learning Resources. So we're going to dive right in. And here is your mini fridge. We're going to open. Oh my goodness. Everything is falling out. Wow. Look at all these yummy fruits and vegetables. And we have different baskets. Do you know all of the colors? We have orange, green, purple, red, and yellow. What do we have in here? Ooh, we have all kinds of activities to complete. Okay, let's shuffle them up and we're gonna pick one out. A shopping list. Can you find snacks that start with the letters M and O? Let's see. We'll put it right here. We're gonna try and find some snacks in here that start with the letter M and O. This is a tomato. Does tomato start with the letter M? No. What is this one? This looks like an orange. Does this start with the letter M or O? Yes, this is an orange. Oh, orange. Let's put it in our orange basket. What other things could we find? Let's see. Oh, what's this? Milk. Milk. Does that start with the letters M or O? Yeah. Milk starts with M. Let's put it in our red basket. Let's see what else we could find. This is it's a lemon. Lemon. Does lemon start with the letter M or O? No, it starts with the letter L. Let's see what else we can find. Do you know what this is? Broccoli. Broccoli. What does broccoli start with? B. You're right. But it doesn't start with the letters M or O. What's this? This kind of looks like a purple onion. Onion. Does onion start with an M or an O? Right. Onion starts with O. So we're going to put it in our purple basket. Do you know what these are? Bananas. Bananas are so yummy. Does bananas start with the letters M or O? No, it starts with the letter B. Do you know what this is? Orange juice. Orange juice. Orange. Orange. Do you think orange juice starts with one of the letters M or O? Very good. It starts with the letter O. And we'll put it in our orange basket. Ooh, this one's fun. Let's put our groceries away in this order. So what do we start with? Let's start at the top. So we're going to start with the color red. So we're going to put our red items on the top shelf. A red tomato. This looks like strawberry jam. It's red too. A red apple. a red strawberry, and a red pepper. Great job! You helped me put all of the red items on the top shelf. What color is next? Orange. Very good. Let's find all of our orange items. We have orange juice. We have an orange. What's in here? This could probably be some orange marmalade or orange jam. Orange. Do you know what this is? It's cheese, orange cheese. We have an orange pepper and an orange, you got it, carrot. Great, we did all of the orange items on the second shelf. Thanks for your help. What color is next? Right, yellow. This item is lemon juice. Lemons are so sour. Lemon juice goes on the third shelf. What do you think this item could be? Maybe it's butter or margarine in a little container. You remember these. These are bananas. Bananas go on the yellow shelf. What about this item? It's yellow. Cheese, you got it. Lemon, just like our lemon juice. And last but not least, we have, do you know what this item is? Corn. Yellow corn. There, we put all of our yellow items on the third shelf. What color is next? Green, right. Let's find all of our green items. This is some green apple juice. So we'll put the apple juice on the fourth shelf. Do you remember this one? Right, green broccoli. What about these? Do you know what these are? Green grapes. Very good. Do you know what these are? These are one of my favorites. They're yummy, delicious, crunchy pickles. I love pickles. Green dill pickles. We have lettuce. Lettuce is crunchy and goes on sandwiches or in a salad. And last but not least, we have a green apple. There, we did our fourth shelf with the color green. What color comes next? That's right, the color purple will go on the bottom or fifth shelf. Let's see what items we have to put on. We have purple grape juice. Purple grapes. Yeah, purple grapes help make the purple grape juice. We have purple grape jelly. Do you remember this? It's a purple onion. Very good. I think this could be a purple plum, maybe. Purple plum. And last but not least, we have a purple. Do you know what this one is? It's a radish. A purple radish. You helped me put all of the purple ones on the bottom shelf. I think we should put all of our groceries into each of the baskets. Can you help me do that? Great. Let's start with the yellow basket. Which items are the yellow items? Right, these ones. What color's next? Red. color is next? Purple. What color is next? Green. What color is this? Orange. Thank you so much for playing with our Sorting Snacks mini fridge today. Join us again soon. Bye-bye.